Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix Windows Update error code 0x80073701 while Windows updating. Let's fix that issue guys. For that, go to search menu and type troubleshoot. Click on open it guys, troubleshoot setting. Click other troubleshooters and select the Windows Update troubleshoot to run. Follow the instructions and finish the process guys. After finishing this process, close out of here and go ahead and restart your PC guys. After restarting your PC, your problem will be resolved. But if you're still having a problem, let's move on to the next solution guys. For that, go to search menu and type notepad. Click on open it. Now check my video description for this code guys used in my video. Just need to copy this code and paste it in the notepad and click on file, click on save as, name it as whatever you want it. I'm gonna name it as fix, but last you just need to type .bat. This is important guys, .bat. You just should note .bat the file name at the last. Save as type to all files, select save, and after saving it, close out of here and desktop, right click on it and select refresh. Right click on the bat file, right click on it and select run as administrator, select yes. Now this process will take some time guys to finish it. Wait for it until this finished up. After finishing this, close out of here and go ahead and restart your PC. Your problem will be resolved. And that's it for today's video guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.